This is the 5th video in my new playlist, my Tom Collins, flipping up the Tom Collins playlist. This video, I'm going to show you how to make a lemon and raspberry Collins. Right then, all these videos are loosely based on the age-old cocktail, been around since the late 1800s, the Tom Collins. I explain all about that and how to make it in the video that should be popping up on your screens just at the top there, or there'll be links in the playlist and the show notes below of where to get that from. That's video number 1 in this playlist. But this whole playlist is about giving you simple ginspiration, drinkspiration, being able to flip that very simple 4-ingredient cocktail into making hundreds, thousands upon thousands of different recipes. So that's what this one is. This one is the lemon and raspberry Collins. Like always, it's going to get served up in a highball glass, the Collins glass. I'm going to make this in my cocktail shaker. Now, as I've done in the previous videos, we've flipped up gins, we've flipped up sugars, flipped up the mixers. This is a bit of flipping up of everything now in here. Well, the gin and the mixer anyway, at least. So to make this lemon and raspberry Collins, the first thing we need is our gin. I'm going Whitley Nils raspberry gin, and we want 50 ml of this. Now I'm sticking with lemon and plain sugar for this one. So back to basics, we just flipped the gin at the moment, so I'm going 25 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and then I want 15 ml of just normal sugar syrup. Okay, 15 ml. And if, as I keep mentioning, if you want to get 15 ml accurately, this measure, amazing, Mezclar Precision measure, 25 ml, 50 ml, lined every 5, 10, 15 ml in the top there, then every 10 ml at the bottom there, so 10, 20, 30, 40, okay? Brilliant for making cocktails accurately, because if you put a whole shot of 25 ml of sugar in there, it's just going to be too sweet. So we've got gin, we've got lemon, we've got sugar. Next, we're just going to ice up that, ice up the glass, and we're going to give it a good shake. Right, when you're happy that's cold enough, just take your glass off, and now we need our mixer. In this case, it is definitely a soda water, and I mentioned these at the top in that very first video. We are going for San Pellegrino's new range to the UK, at least, Essenza. It's a lemon and lemon zest soda water. Hasn't got the sweetness at all. Think soda water, and that's what that is. It's just flavoured. Amazing, absolutely amazing. So 75 ml. Now most supermarkets are picking up to the soda water trend now, so that is definitely, I got that from Ocado, but I've known a few other UK supermarkets that are carrying that range now. And just if you haven't watched that other video, go and watch it, but just in case you haven't, tangerine and strawberry and dark morello cherry and pomegranate complete the range. Just think not sweet soda waters. They're perfect for drinks like this, cocktails. So and as I keep mentioning, the whole reason I pour my soda water into my cocktail shaker is to save stirring it. It's already mixed, so if I just poured my cocktail in there and then added the soda, I'd have to stir it. So that's why it's just simple strain now. And then garnish wise, you could do anything here. The obvious ones, we could go lemon, we could go raspberries in there. Go for your life. I'm just going to keep it simple. I've got an orange zest, because I just love them in the Collins. They just look superb. And I've just got that cherry as well. But I say raspberries would work a treat. Serve it up with a straw. And that is a very tasty, GP friendly if you're in a pub and bar. Amazing to impress your guests at your own party. Just superb. Lemon and raspberry Collins. Cheers.